My name is Nancy Nakinate.
My name is Kenta Araki.
My name is Maddie Harper.
My name is Jake Dixon.
I am on Team Friction Skate Co.
I'm on Team Friction.
I'm on Team Friction Skate Co.
I am on Team 4, Team Friction Skate Co. So the inspiration behind our product, a skate shoe, came from probably, I guess, all of us butting heads on what really the problem we wanted to solve out in the industry that we saw. As a skateboarder when I was younger, just noticing that shoes will just repetitively wear out and you just keep throwing them away. And there has to be a better solution for that. We noticed that there's not much change, so we thought this is something we could really make a big change in, and we kind of saw some inspiration in that industry, and we thought maybe we could make a change and make a shoe that'll last twice as long as the skate shoes that are out there on the market right now.
Okay, so we started with brainstorming and finding the problem and speaking to consumers and then transferring what consumers want into design. After that, we translated our design onto paper and communicated it with the factory after finding the factory that we want to partner with. And now we have our prototype, so going forward we are going to learn how to take this to market in the right way.
I think the hardest part was communicating with skaters. So when we went to the skate park, it was very intimidating. We didn't really know how to approach them. When we went to Wendell's as well, it was very cool to pick at their brains and see how they operate when it comes to skate products. They also asked for two different things. So one guy asked for something that would stand out, but he also asked for something that would be classic. And they kind of clash. So trying to really figure out what a skateboarder wants, I think, is the hardest part.
I think above all, the resource of the lab was the biggest thing for us in our project personally, just because we really needed to see layering the way we were doing our shoe if it was actually working. So just being able to iterate in the lab over and over again was really beneficial for our team.
Okay, so two things. The first one is my team. We all have different backgrounds and interests, but we were able to agree on learning about a new consumer and how we can use our skills and our capabilities to really come up with an innovation that will be a game changer in the industry. The second thing is just, getting to know and working with a new group of consumers. I have never skateboarded, but I really value getting to know skateboarders and their insights and their consumer behavior.
So to get a sample, it really starts with working with your factory. So once we had a design and a tech pack, we had to work with our factory to be able to really be able to create the best sample out of that tech pack. And it really is a lot of collaboration and teamwork between our team and the factory, and really understanding what their capabilities are and what their strengths are, as well as what ours are, so that way we can really make sure that it's not just anything that they make, it's something that's amazing and it's up to the standards of our tech pack.
I think my favorite part of the whole process was getting the prototype back from the factory. Although we got to make a really cool shoe in the lab ourselves, there's nothing like getting a real physical product back from the factory. They are so skilled in what they do, and once we got a product in hand, it was incredible to see something that you've put so much work into really turn into a physical product.
So our product is called the Coefficient.
Our product is a durable skateboarding shoe, which is also sustainable and then lasts longer than the average skateboarding shoe on the market now.
There hasn't been much change in the skate world, so we really have made a shoe that will apply the taste of the skater out there, but it's armored with material that will really double the length of the skate shoe.
Our shoe is really built around sustainability. So we looked at it from a sustainability lens of the process, but also the materials used in the shoe as well.
So something that we're really excited about is the 50/50 program. So we understood through our consumer research that skateboarders wear through one shoe much quicker than the other one. So we thought, why can't we just give them a new shoe that's worn through, instead of throwing away 2 shoes and then replacing them with 2 new shoes? We could just replace one shoe, save waste from the landfill, but also save materials that are being made. This is a program that we're developing now. We've kind of worked through all the kind of details of it in our last term, and we're really excited to be able to show this to our core consumer and skateboarders, and to really make sure that they understand that their waste doesn't have to be as large as it could be with the 50/50 program.